Hard things don't get easier. You get stronger. But how do you force yourself to do them when you don't feel like it? Why hard things feel impossible? Your brain is designed to avoid discomfort. It wants the easiest path even if it slows down your life. So when something feels hard, you're not lazy. Your brain is protecting you from discomfort even when the task is good for you. Motivation is a myth. Most people wait for motivation, but motivation is temporary. Real change comes from action, not inspiration. You act your way into motivation, not the other way around. Strategy number 1. The 2-minute push. Tell yourself, I'll do it for only 2 minutes. Study for 2 minutes. Clean for 2 minutes. Exercise for 2 minutes. Once you start, the resistance disappears. The hardest part is always the beginning. Strategy number 2. The pain of staying the same. Ask yourself, if I avoid this for 1 more year, what will my life look like? Suddenly not doing the task feels more painful than doing it. Use that discomfort to move forward. Strategy number 3. Identity first. Stop saying, I'm lazy or I can't stay consistent. Start saying, I'm the type of person who finishes things. I do hard things even when I don't want to. Your identity shapes your behavior. Strategy number 4. Reduce friction. Make the hard thing easier to start. Lay out your gym clothes. Put your book on your pillow. Remove distractions. Set a 25-minute timer. Small environmental changes create big discipline. Strategy number 5. Reward your future self. Your brain needs rewards. After finishing the task, give yourself something small, a break, a walk, a treat. Discipline grows when your brain connects effort with reward. Every time you do something difficult, you become stronger. The hard things you avoid today become the regrets of tomorrow. Start now, even for 2 minutes. Tell me in the comments, what hard thing are you going to start today? And subscribe for more content about discipline, mindset, and money mastery.